Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the journal application on your iPad Air 13 2026. So the journal application is your personal app where you can share some insights from your life and track your progress, for example, or just share your experiences so that you can recall them later. You can find it in your apps menu easily, and in this application you can create a journal by tapping the plus icon in the bottom right corner and then enter some topic of the moment that you want to share in the title. Then you can also enter something about it below. You can use some suggestions, you can enter photos, attach photos, you can make photos in the moment using your camera, and attach them to your moments. And then you can easily scroll through your added moments. Now if you want to add an entire new journal, you have to tap the plus icon right here next to journals. Then you have to create the color for your journal, the icon for it, and name it somehow. And now you have a separate journal for yourself where you can enter some new memories or ideas, etc. You can also use Health Access and integrate it with your Journals application. And you can also use your Apple Pencil and enter something using your drawing skills. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.